Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about the trends, the trend lines, the direction of these two cryptocurrencies, and how and what you can do with these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and yesterday we have seen a very good upside movement because yes, of course, after the outcome of the Federal Reserve meeting. So you can see here three things. Just I just wanted to make you people understand here. One, just look at this candle. However, it's a red candle. We have got a good fall that day, but look at the trend line, this trend line. Look at this trend line, look at the volumes, right? So everything is basically supporting that. Here you might see that the price will just take up a support here and again it will go up, right? The next day it will give more confirmation because it was a doji, and doji basically closed just you can say just at around this particular trend line. So that also shows us that also confirms that okay, from here we can still get a upside from here. And you can see that today yesterday. So yesterday there was a good green candle with good volume. So that was the sign that yes, the price is going to stay here, the price is going to make higher lows, and the price is going to looks little bullish here. Right now the problem arises here is that just look at this particular momentum, right? So the problem here with this particular you can say cryptocurrency is that the price is not able to trade higher than 22,600. So it's just hovering around at 22,600 or 23,000, but it's actually not giving a very good upside momentum or a bullish candle above 22,600. So 22,600 becomes a very crucial level for this particular cryptocurrency. Also, if you look at today, the price closes higher then this particular 22,600 level, and today also it's just hovering around at at this level. So again this is not the good time where we are getting good volume. So let us wait for the closing time, let us wait for the evening time. In fact, you will get more activity, trading activity happening there. So yesterday it was up by I think around 8% or so. Let me just see. Yes, so it was up by 8%, very good momentum, closed very near to 23,000, and today it's just hovering around at that level only. So no change, no momentum as of now you can see in the Bitcoin. So what you can expect from now onwards is, since I'm getting a very good indication that price is not going down, however the price is not showing up a good upside momentum too, but at least the price is not falling from here. So maybe not this time, but in the near future you might see that if this situation continues, so you will definitely see that the upside will be there, and the price will again reaches towards the higher levels, or the immediate resistance could be taken as 25,800 and the support could be taken as 22,600. So this is for the Bitcoin, and till the time I'll give you one more indication or an good insight. Till the time the price is just holding up a support at this particular trend line, you will definitely see that the price will go up. It will not fall much, right? So this is something we can just look at here, and the moment we will get a good breakout to at least to this particular candle, the high of this particular candle. So if we get a close above then 24,300, that too with good volumes, good candle, we will definitely see that the price will able to reach towards the resistance as well. So this is for the Bitcoin. And if you look at the Ethereum, so almost the same situation is there. It was also up by I think 18% or so, and the same situation we can see here. So it's up, it was up by 13% yesterday. Now look at here, there was a good red candle which closes below then 1510 level, and after a good time, after many days, the price was trading below than that, and it was closed, it was closed below than that. And next day you will definitely see a very good upside momentum. You might not call a very good upside momentum because you will say that's a dozy, but I will definitely say that, you know, from here you are getting a clear indication that the buying is there. And just look at yesterday's momentum. So this is amazing. Now again the price is just hovering around at yesterday's close. So let me just give you a quick view. Yesterday it closed at around 1637 and it's trading at around 1625 right now. So what you can see, you can just take up a resistance at 1725. That is a probability that we might able to achieve that level, and you can just take up a support at 1510. So this is something, you know, you can just look at here, that now the price is in case of the Ethereum, the price is making very prominent higher lows, very clear you know, higher lows. So that is something, you know, which is good for the upside momentum, which is good for the buying perspective. So these are the you know, recent higher lows, and the moment you will see that the price will just closes above than this area, you will see that you know, it will start making new resistance, or it will start, you know, going up towards upside. So this is for the Ethereum and Bitcoin. So I hope you are getting some kind of knowledge, some learning from these videos. So please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out any future notification. So maybe, you know, you can just do it now, and we'll meet you tomorrow with the new insight, with the new analysis for these two cryptocurrencies. So till then, happy trading, and thank you so much for watching us.